Welcome to the Surety Bond Pro Tools overview. This slideshow will give you an idea of how your agency will benefit from using our software. So what is Surety Bond Pro Tools? Simply put, it is website plugin software to allow your agency to accept, store, and process surety bond applications online. It is designed to seamlessly blend in with your website so it appears to your clients that they are using your agency's proprietary web app. It will work with any website, regardless of how old. It only takes minutes to install on a site, even for a novice webmaster. Let's take a look at some example screenshots of agencies currently using Surety Bond Pro Tools. As you can see, our software is blended right into their site as if it were designed for it. This area is Surety Bond Pro Tools. Everything else is the agency's standard website template. Here's another agency's website that is using it. And once again, here is our software. You are likely wondering how our software can improve your agency. By using Surety Bond Pro Tools, you will be able to double the workload your agency can handle with your current staff. At the click of a button, you will be able to do credit pulls, bond approvals, indemnity agreement creation, bond issuance, and much more. Since it collects everything from your website and stores in your agency's database, it is a zero-entry system. It will also bring your agency to new levels of organization. You can create workflow rules specific to your agency. Office communication is managed by our comment messaging system. It provides clear documentation on the activities that occur on each account and allows agency users to send requests to one another. Each agency user has a unique inbox consisting of messages from other users and tasks created from your agency workflow rules. This not only brings office communication and documentation to new heights, but also gives everyone in the agency a clear to-do list to keep all employees on task. Agencies that wish to go paperless can attach files to accounts. If you aren't ready to take the full plunge into the digital world, you can still print files as needed. With all of your accounts being stored in a database, you will have access to an abundance of statistical information at your fingertips. You can view sales process pipelines and create accurate sales forecasts. You can also review conversion rates of each bond type to see where you can improve, or perhaps where to do research to ensure your marketing capital is being spent on your strongest performing lines of business. You can also see performance of your agency's user base. Compare agents to see who your top performers are. Find out which agent is the weak link and why. Issuance statistics are also available, so you can see the workloads of your issuance department. Hopefully you're starting to see the possibilities of what our software can do for you. At this point, you might be wondering if it will fit your agency's needs. Almost everything within the system is customizable. You are able to choose your new account agent assignment rules. For instance, you can assign all auto dealers to a particular agent, or you can assign the accounts to each agent as they come in a rotating fashion for even amounts of volume. The system will also be set up to work with all of your direct markets and their indemnity agreements. Write bonds through brokers as well? No problem. You can still use the system to automate bonds written through them as well. Perhaps you are interested in only writing mortgage broker bonds. You can limit the application to only accept the appropriate SAA codes that you want. If you don't do business in certain areas, you can exclude them in the initial application. That way you don't get applicants that you can't help. User role assignments allow management to keep sensitive information away from lower level employees. It also helps to ensure your high level employees aren't doing lower level work. All system generated emails will include your agency's header logos and signature information. There's a long list of other features, but this is only an overview, so let's move on. The surety industry's software options are pretty limited, expensive, and typically band-aid fixes that are not all-inclusive of agencies' needs. Surety Bond Pro Tools has been in development for years, and we plan on adding additional features from our user base input. So what does our product cost? Absolutely nothing. It is 100% free to all agencies. The cost of development, the servers to run it, and continued maintenance is all paid for by carrier sponsors. Sureties will be providing quotes to your agents from their logins. You are under no obligation to make use of these quotes. You can just use the system to automate your agency with your current direct markets if you wish. Your clients will never see any sponsor quotes unless you decide to make use of them. Most agents are just as excited about our project as we are. So when is all of this available? We are already running on numerous agency websites and are in a constant process of setting up more. If you plan to sign up, expect a 2 to 3 month waiting time until you can go live. Keep in mind, we need to tailor the software to your unique agency's needs, and this takes time. You can sign up right now on our site at www.suretybond.org. Our sign-up list is growing fast, and we operate on a first-come, first-served basis, so be sure to reserve your spot in line today. It only takes a minute, and you have nothing to lose. Thank you for your time, and please be sure to share this slideshow with anyone who you think might benefit from it.